My name is Eileen Inyanji Wanyonyi, the founder of Agrofa Market Link, which aims at enhancing agribusiness chains through creation of market linkages to smallholder farmers, whereby they can be able to access input and produce markets. We have several products that we are selling, which we provide to the smallholder farmers. Yes, we decided to go with the NutriPlant Organic Plus Fertilizer, whereby we source this input directly from the input manufacturer and we deliver it to the farmers. Our beachhead market, currently we are based in Malava Sub-County, Chegulo Ward, with a target of 20,000 farmers. And we are prospecting that probably by next year, we shall have covered the whole of Kakamega County and progress towards Kenya. And with this, we are hoping that by the year 2024, we shall have a valuation of 60 million Kenya shillings as profit. Our customer value proposition is that most of these smallholder farmers, they are not able to access the farm input dealers due to the distance that they have to cover to reach these input dealers. So Agrofa Market Link came in to help in directly linking the smallholder farmers to input manufacturers. The product process is that Agrofa team visits the farm. We get to know what challenges these farmers are going through, what are their needs. So the farmers do place the order during the farm visits, and also they can alternatively contact the Agrofa team. Then the Agrofa updates their system and the processes and places an order to the input manufacturers within 24 hours. And we are hoping that through this, after the 24 hours elapses, we shall be able to have delivered the farm inputs to the farmers. And aside from that, we also train them on the usage of the product and also do a follow-up throughout the production process to see how far they are and what challenges they're facing. And at the end of it, we are hoping to have an improved agricultural productivity in Malava Sub-County, reduced transaction costs, and improved smallholder farmer income. Our first hypothesis was to try and link these farmers to input suppliers. And we managed to interview 25 farmers, and they all agree that this will be of great benefit to them, since getting access to these input suppliers, it's quite a challenge to them, given that they're located quite far. And also we did a survey on and interviewed 6 input manufacturers, and they also agree that this will be of great benefit not only to the farmers, but it will also help in increasing their sales. Most of these farmers are not well versed with technology, and out of the 25, only 10 were okay with the online app, but 15 requested that if we could do a USSD code, then this will be okay with them. We're also doing capacity building of youth to engage them in agribusiness activities, and all the 25 farmers were okay with this. Then our financials, our key driver, one is the cost of sale per customer, which the cost of sale, we get it through the marketing cost and the delivery costs. Then our key driver 2 is the lifetime customer. Then the driver 3 is the costing per product, and our 4th driver is the market. So out of this, we are hoping that our market, we are targeting Malava Sub-County, Chegulo Ward, which has approximately 20,000 farmers, and we are targeting at least 45% of the share. And our net price per product is Kenya shillings 3,200, of which we shall be getting a profit of 875 from each of the products we are selling. Then profit per year, we are hoping to gain 15 million profit per year. Then this is our founder's dream. This is our team. I, the founder, Eileen Inyanji, an agribusiness specialist. Then we have Wilbon Yegon, an agricultural economist, and Melton Sikele, who is our public relations officer and an actuarial scientist. We blended the 3 of us so that we can get insights to different areas of specialization. Our dream is to create an online platform that will be aimed at linking smallholder farmers to agricultural information, farm inputs, and the produce markets by the end of 2022, to achieve a profit valuation of Kenya shillings 60 million by 2024, and also to create an enabling environment for sustainable agricultural improvement in productivity and income among rural farmers by 2022. Thank you.